Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook activity log. Write if my solution helped you and if you managed to do it on your phone. Or if you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. Go to Facebook. Then open the menu. Choose the account where we want to clear and delete the Facebook activity log. Then click on the top right corner Settings and Privacy, and here we have to scroll down and find the Activity Log tab. Then here, we choose the first your activity across Facebook. Choose here. We can clear posts. We can clear comments. Let's select likes and reactions. And here it appears anything we've left. Let's say on September 5th, I left a like. We can delete. How do we do? We click here, and click Remove and remove again. We can also select everything. That is, press L and delete everything we have here. We can also select just a comment that we left. We can press and delete everything. Or we can just individually and also press Remove. After that, we will need to keep the password from our Facebook profile, and it will be deleted. We can also go to the bottom tab, and here we can clear our search history. Click here. And as you can see, I have a lot of history here. I click on the three dots. I click Delete, and then I click Delete again. After that, it's deleted. So that's the way it is. You can delete your Facebook activity log absolutely on any device. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. Put likes, be sure to write whether my solution helped you, and whether you managed to do so on your phone. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know below in the comments, and I'll be sure to read and answer. Goodbye.